Hey y'all, I thought I'd do something a little different today and actually go outside to take this video. So if there's wind in the background, sorry about that, but it's just such a beautiful day and I'm here on campus and can you see there's a few horses in the background? I mean, who can't pay attention to a video when there's horses in the background? That's just cool. And lovely memories of your playground over there. I know, I miss playgrounds too. I used to play on them all the time. Okay, so today you were supposed to take a quiz that covered the first part of the chapter over plant reproduction. Hopefully you've done that. I'm not talking about that here in this video. I actually have my books in front of me, so I'm going to be helping you out with a few things and just making sure you understand a few things and helping you with a few more. So in the last assignment, you were supposed to read pages 300 to 303. You also had to write me a paragraph about the differences between the eggs and the placental development and the marsupial development. Hopefully you discovered that basically the marsupial development means a pouch outside of the mother's body. Placental means it's inside the mother's body. Now remember about marsupial development, it said that while the pouch is outside the mother's body, it's still connected to the mother. So with things like kangaroos, they still grow. They're still attached to the mother, just like other mammals that grow inside their mother, and humans too. Humans grow inside their mama's body, and we are attached to our mama by that nice cord, the umbilical cord. Creatures that marsupials that grow inside a pouch outside their mother's body, still attached by a cord. Today's lesson, or today's assignment, only covers 2 pages. So in your book, it covers pages 304 and 305. Only 2 pages, so hopefully you can do this. Now, on these 2 pages, you're going to be learning about something called asexual reproduction. You already know what sexual reproduction is. It's a male and a female. We could be talking about plants or animals or humans, male and a female. For asexual reproduction, we don't need a male and a female. We just need one. So in your book, and yes, I'm referencing the book right in front of me, so if I keep looking down, that's okay. It says the process of reproducing from only one parent is called asexual reproduction. Then it gives you a whole bunch of ideas or ways that this is done. For example, it says that organisms like hydra sponges and some yeast reproduce through budding. Basically, a new individual develops on the parent and then grows until it's big enough to be off on its own. Now, the one I find the most interesting is the starfish. Starfish grows through regeneration. You know, starfish has 6 little legs on it, little spokes. I don't call them spokes. Anyway, if a starfish loses one of its legs, it can grow another one. However, and I'm going to read this directly from the book to make sure you're understand. The arm of a sea star is broken off, and if it includes a piece of the center star, then it can grow a whole new sea star. Okay? Catch that. You lose a leg, but if the leg includes part of the middle, it grows a whole new sea star. Now, if it just loses a leg, it'll grow the leg back. That's not binary, or that's not regeneration. It's just growing a leg, which humans can't do, but that would be a really cool thing to happen. Like if you lost an arm, you could just grow another one, or if you lost a leg or a foot or a toe, you just grow another one. We're not like sea stars like that, unfortunately. Or you have other things like, there's a picture of strawberries there. Strawberries, and it says, I'm going to read it from the book again. Strawberries and many grasses often grow runners or creeping stems. They call them stolons. The stems grow across the soil, and they occasionally put down roots and develop new plants. See, this is what I mean by asexual reproduction. We don't need a male and a female. We just need one, and it can create new ones. So pay attention to all of the information on these 2 pages, 304 and 305. But I don't usually just say, hey, read this, and then you're done. Oh, no. You also have activity manual pages. There are 2 of them. The activity manual page on page 199. It looks like this. Okay. At the top of the page, it has the examples of asexual reproduction: binary fission, budding, regeneration, fragmentation, and vegetative reproduction. For each one of those, you need to give me a description and then list some examples. Yes, I did say examples, as in more than one example. Give me at least 2 per row, okay? Then on page 200, page 200 is a study guide that covers the pages you read in the last lesson and the pages for this lesson. So basically pages 300 through 305, okay? You're gonna fill that in. I need a picture of both sides, okay? A picture of both sides, upload them to the assignment. Now, these are the last few pages in the whole chapter. Today you took a quiz. Now that we finished the chapter, that should tell you that we have something else coming up. So you're going to have a quiz during the next class hour, which, hold on, if I'm thinking about it, today is Thursday, so that means Monday. A quiz on Monday, and then the class after that will be a test. So quiz Monday, test Wednesday. And because you know me so well, you know that sometimes there are slight changes. So if there are any changes to that, I will let you know. And I will let you know as quickly as I can. So I love you all so much, and I miss you, and I wish so badly that we could be back in school and this whole coronavirus thing could be in the past. But I know we're living through history, and you know God is going to take care of all of us. You know that He has control of everything. Keep that in mind. It gives me comfort sometimes. So look to the Lord for all your problems. I hope that you are doing well. I hope your families are okay. Message me if there's something I can do for you. Love to you all. Mwah.